Stop sticking to the basics.
Discover the magic of innovative school activities that will inspire your kids to greatness.
Storytelling competitions that ignite imaginations.
Debate competitions where young minds sharpen their wits.
Taekwondo practices instilling discipline and strength.
Art and craft sessions that turn creativity into masterpieces.
Public speaking and creative writing activities building confidence one word at a time.
Doctors' Day celebrations with eye and dental checkups teaching the importance of health.
Making paper bags to instill eco-friendly habits.
Nouns activities and book reviews making learning fun and engaging.
Color mixing to spark curiosity in young artists.
Project-based learning from bird feeders to first aid kits encouraging hands-on exploration.
Olympiad and chess tournament victories celebrating academic and strategic prowess.
Yellow Day celebrations and STEM robot hand activities blending play with education.
And of course, Independence Day celebrations fostering a sense of national pride.
These activities aren't just fun, they shape future leaders. Let's inspire greatness together.